this is my render code. So I'd like to test that out. So I'll just copy this out and slash headlines slash API docs. So I've done everything and I'm going to show my put request with validation. So I'm going to add my ID. Okay, let me just create one instead so that I can just have an ID. So I'm going to test out let me use my REST client to test out my route. So this is my REST client and the REST route. So I'm going to send request and it works. So I'm going to edit, remove some things and see if it will like make the string empty and see. Okay, so we have invalid value. So but once I put something in it should work. Yeah. So yes, that goes for most of it. It has to have at least a minimum of 3 letters and then the invalid value. So my validation is working fine. So I'm going to just add something more to it. Yeah, it's working. Oh, this is localhost. I'm so sorry. This is my render. So send request. Yep. Invalid value. There's nothing here, so I'm going to go in with this. And now it's working. Okay. This is for render, and this is my for post. So I'm just going to copy this and attempt to delete it. So I'm going to try the delete one now. I'm going to try the delete one now. Okay, before I even do that, let me just type in some weird values. Let's see if it will work. Must use a valid ID to delete a contact, and then when I use the correct ID, so let's send that request, and it says acknowledge, like it's deleted. And if I delete this again, what else? Yeah, I've said this one. So an invalid ID would give an error and a valid one would work for this. So yeah, I think that's all I need to do. Let me check my confused again. I'm supposed to let me check. Okay. Just update your API documentation to include this new route. I've done that. Push to GitHub, add validation to your route, add error handling to your route. Okay, I've done that. Add a put and delete route to your API. That this work as intended. Oh, let me show you. Verify. Yep, put that down. So this is I have 12 right now, and this is TT fashion. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to change the name to actually to something else. So I'm going to go to my and I'm going to use my put to change it and put the data in, and then to yes, this is my blog. So I'm going to make it the data collection. So let's see if that would work. Send request, and it should, where is it? This is it. It should work. So I'm going to refresh this. Yeah, and now it is Zara collection, not TTH. This was the previous one I've sent before. Let me do. So I'm going to change. I'm going to put it to Zara only. Zara only, Zara C, and send request, and come here and refresh this, and it is working. Zara C. So now I'm going to delete this Zara C. So I think I still have this. So I'm going to come to my delete, and I'm going to come here, and I'm going to send my request. So I'm going to refresh this, and it's 11, and Zara C is no longer there. So I think that's all I need to do. I don't know if yeah, I've uploaded my, it's delete. Let me try to delete from here. So let me copy one. I'm going to copy this to TH. Oops, try that. Yes, and it should execute. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's all. If there's any other thing, I'll do.